I love the look of antique mirrors, but I don't love the price. So I decided to make my own faux antique mirror. I had this old chippy window lying around, so I thought I'd use that for the project. I put the window face down, and then using painter's tape, I taped off all of the edges of the window. I mixed equal parts of vinegar and water and put it into a spray bottle. I used apple cider vinegar, but you can use white. I shook up the mixture and then sprayed it onto the window glass. I made sure I had large drops of water and not just a fine spray. While the glass was still wet, I sprayed Krylon looking glass spray paint onto the glass. Then I dabbed the paint off using a paper towel. The paint will not adhere to the glass where it is sprayed with water and vinegar. I removed all the painter's tape once the other paint was dry. Using black craft paint and a small brush, I painted each glass pane black on top of the spray painted surface. I wanted to hang my window mirror, so I used 2 small screws and picture wire. I love the chippy paint of the window and the antique look of the glass. This was so easy to do. I hope it inspires you to make your own faux antique mirror.